Morning Woodhounds, Craig here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be doing a little cutting. I came up here to woodyard number 2. I had a small amount of miscellaneous campfire wood that didn't really have a good home in woodyard number 1, aka my backyard, because at my woodyard I usually stack in increments of face cords. So half face cord stacks, full cord stacks. And this was some miscellaneous stuff left over that didn't really have a home. So I brought it up here because I'll throw it into the roadside stand because I sell by the loose armful, sell by the armful. So I'll add it to the supply here. And the plan is to cut down a cherry tree on the fence line. There's a dead cherry that I spotted probably 6 months ago or so. And I've been wanting to cut it down ever since. It's not that big. Missed it. There was a coon coming down a tree. I was about to show you it on camera, but it scurried away. Anyways, so yeah, there's a cherry tree on the fence line here. Not that big. Should be able to drop it no problem. I brought the Echo CS501P with the 18-inch bar, and I also brought the Stihl MS261 with the 25-inch bar. Yes, the 25-inch bar. I know that's too big of a bar for an MS261, but I'm trying it out. I'm just curious. Again, I know it's not the right size bar. Just want to have fun with it. So I'm gonna get ready and head up there, and we'll get to cutting. Stay tuned. So here it is, not too big. It looks more dead than I thought it was, so hopefully it's not too rotten. It's hard to tell on the camera, but it is leaning right into this box elder tree. But I think it's small enough that if it gets hung up, I should be able to pull it down with the quad. Worst case scenario, I get the big bad Ford Maverick and probably can pull it down. So I'm gonna get some chaps on, saw warmed up, and we'll get to cutting. Awesome. That went pretty smooth, no issues. It's kind of funny when I started cutting. Oh, there goes another one. Saw a bunch of mice running out of the stump, so right there, that crack, mice were running out. So the mice still have a home. I didn't take care of that. They can still live in the stump, and thankfully looks like it's still solid, so that's awesome. And yeah, it didn't get hung up in this box elder tree. Pretty much went perfect. So I'm gonna clean up some of the sticks and then start bucking.
All right, all cut up. I'm gonna load it into the trailer and then I'll give you my thoughts on running the 25-inch bar on the Stihl. Help arrived. Hi, Help.
Help's arrived. So there you have it, a little bit of cherry cut up with the 25-inch bar. I probably said it a couple times now, this is too big of a bar for this saw, but it does just fine in medium to small size wood. So it's kind of nice not having to bend all the way down to buck it up. So I'll show you the rounds in a second. The roadside stand is needing some restocking, so that's what I'm gonna do next. The trailer here is full, so I'm gonna go do that. I appreciate everybody watching. Have a good one. Bye.